Good morning, fam basic. We're off to church now. Unfortunately, as usual, we're late. I just brushed my teeth, so my eyes are a little bit dark. We out, yo. Me and my mommy are off to the mall to go and buy her shoes. My hubby's not here. Ew, I hate that word. My husband's not here. He's gone to Sydney with my dad and some of my cousins and my uncle. I'm quite tired, as you can see in my eyes, but they've gone to my uncle's house, the one that we went to last weekend, because my aunt that I went to visit, sadly, she's actually passed away. She passed away on Thursday, I believe, which is quite sad. So rest in peace, auntie. This is my beautiful mommy. Her name is Soso. Can you say Soso? Oh, please, Mom, apologize to them right now. Apologize. You guys are not Whaikakala. Hey, yo. Oh, but summer shoes, like...
You're not going to get open toe sandals. They're all going to be covered toes.
Mom, it's $90. We're looking for some shoes for baby Evan. Some summer shoes. No, this is not the right place, Mom.
Actually taking those...
Okay, so I'm getting some shoes. There's a good deal on. It's buy 2 pairs and save $20. These are the shoes that I want, but they don't have it in my size, so I'm waiting for the lady to come and give me the shoes in my size. And my mom is trying to get these ones, which are exactly the same in a different color. Moms are so annoying when they do that. Aren't you, mummy? Ooh, that looks tasty. Hello, little penguin. Hello, reindeer. Oh, shortbread. Wafers. Wafers? Big jumbo packet. Oh, good. This one, thanks. It's getting kind of chilly because it is Killy. Killy is for Kayleen. And we're eating little Silly. Silly is a cereal. Producers, hit me up because I know you want me. I am so happy to see you guys. I haven't vlogged much at all today. My husband's still in Sydney. He's on his way home from Canberra. It's about almost 10 o'clock. Is it almost 10 o'clock? Anyways, that's irrelevant. I'm having cereal for dinner, but
She keeps recording us and I'm suing her for $1 million.
oh yeah. And I just want to say thank you everyone who's watching and subscribing and commenting and liking. Shout out to everyone who just commented on my video I posted today. You loyal. Thank you. And lastly, how great is it we've reached past 300 tonight or today. And you guys are just so awesome. And I love the comments that I'm getting. It's all love. I'm yet to receive one of those hater comments, and I don't know how I'll take it because I take it very personally. So please, refrain from the hate. No hate. This is a hate-free area. If you want to hate, then go on someone else's YouTube channel because I ain't gonna have it. Okay? Love you guys. Bye. If you like it, subscribe.
If you like it,
if you like it, subscribe.
if you like, subscribe.